Okay. Well, boys, can't shoot anyone from back here. Watch out, left! Watch out! Hit! Who did that? Good start. Straight in, get shot. Where are they all? You know.
On the left side.
I can see one guy out there. One guy behind that tree, can you shoot him? Are they in there, in the netting?
See, that one is too far.
Oh, don't let him get it again! Right, how many we got out here?
There's one down the right side and then there's four down the centre.
Where? Where?
There's one guy down there, I can't see him.
I can't see him. I can hear him, I can't see him.
Can you see that straight down the right? I see him, right there.
We move up to the next tree. Peeking at you. Oh man. Yeah, you know I'm hit and shoot. How have all of those missed if you can reach me? Can't see him out there. Can we push in? Shall we push in? Oh, watch out! Watch your back. He's not there. Where's this guy out wide? I can't see him. Fucking hell, that's windy. Go on, push up. Go right on the other side of that tree. Right, we're going in. We're going in. Come on. Push in, bandit! Run and shoot! Good surrender! Clear!
Oh, we got to be beating that time.
Really? I wasn't out for the first game.
If you down, then look. Go, go, go!
I'm gonna lose this fucking pistol.
Keep fire on it! There isn't any, but
I haven't got full auto.
clear it! Anyone in there? No one in there! Right, keep moving!
No, it is back up! Move! I haven't got full auto.
Well, it's not working.
No. This gun has been nothing but problems today. Right, let's get in there. Let's go around the back. Sorry about the breathing, guys. I'm struggling. Keep your head down, keep your head down. Yeah, pop up if you want. Go in that first bunker, first bit, on your left. Left of the opening, yeah? See him? Take him! You got the shot on him! Just there, in front of you, there! That guy there! Move in, move in. Sonic! Buddy, you! Yeah, there you go. Yeah, move in, move in, move in. Hey! Watch out. Good shot.
Okay guys, you gotta call it clear, you gotta pass the water. Where's the water?
It's going to be a sign.
Somebody leave it back there. Who had it? Go, Chris. Hurry up, run, sign this ticket! Where's the one girl? I can't believe we were actually kicking off. Fucking start it again. He's got it! He's got it! Run,
to sacrifice your own players. I blame you.
Gun's gone again.
A for effort. B.
You're right. Everyone go off. Oh no, it's going to lie.
Somebody put their mouth over the end.
I hope you stopped the clock already, because it's taking too long, really.
We just put one of our grenades in. Yeah, do it.
can't believe my gun jam. Oh man.
Well done, guys. Yeah, we've got a double bang.
Yeah, that was good.
Has anybody else got a flashy that they just want to waste?